Please introduce yourself.
My name is Maluwang.
And why did you apply for this position?
Because you're hiring.
And why do you want to work here at Nom Nom Puerto Princesa, Palawan? Available for pickup and delivery. So what are you waiting for? Order now.
Because I need money.
And what motivates you to work?
Because money.
And what is your dream job?
I don't have a dream job, sir. Because I don't want to work. I just want money.
What is your edge among other applicants?
Edge? My edge is 18 years old.
Matatanggap kaya si Maluwang sa kanyang ina-applyan na trabaho? Ano ang misteryong bumabalot sa babaeng ito? Abangan!